What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, bringing y'all a quick video of what we call Frankie. It's a Chevrolet W3500 chassis, cab over the wheel. It's running a 6-liter vortec V8. I gotta make a little delivery this morning. Let's crank her up and take her for a ride. She's got 286,000 miles. Cold air, 4-speed automatic. And man, she's a pussycat. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Looks like we're about to get a shitload of rain. Let me roll up this window. Whoa, if I can hold her in the road. Hold her in the road. Yeah, she's been ridden hard and put up wet. I have no idea what year this thing is. No clue. But I imagine it's at least 20 years old. If not, pretty damn close. But I do know it's running the 6-liter vortec. That, you know, that standard engine that came in 2500s and kind of your base heavy duty V8 where the, yeah, I guess that's it. And man, it's got plenty of power. This is just 50% throttle. Yeah, she's a runner, man. She is a runner. But rides like a bitch and steers like one too. Oh my God. Let me put on my seatbelt. That's what I'm hauling. 2 pieces of flashing. Not much. We'll try and get us a little 0 to 60 out of her. She's a powerful little truck. She'll get up and go. I've taken it on a couple of road trips over the years with a load, and it'll run, shoot, 80 on the interstate if you can manage to hold it in the road. As you can imagine, the steering sucks on this thing. Sucks. And it rides like shit. But anyway, so I know some of my truck guys would enjoy seeing this. Hell, I don't know what it is. We'll say it's around 20 years old. Chevy W3500 cab over chassis. She's a dream boat. But y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Peace.